I'm about to do some extreme edge cleaning with this Rainbow E2 with the PN12 nozzle. Now, as I've mentioned before, you've got obviously agitation here, and a tiny bit of airflow comes through this notch on both sides. And the width opening of this is only 8 3/4 inches, but this is 2 inches right here. So what that means is the total area, okay, the main opening right here is 17.5 square inches. That is really, really small. In fact, only my Auric XL 2800 is a small total area opening. So with the brush roll spinning, we are at 59 CFM, and that gives a CFM density that's actually medium high of 3.35. And that means literally I took the CFM, the 59, and divided it by 17.5. So this, whatever airflow it has, is extremely concentrated. And that will really help cleaning, and it may even help deep cleaning to some degree. So we're going to put some flour here all over the place in 3 different places, and we're going to see how well this works. And we might have a surprise, because this obviously is going to be scrubbing the concrete, and maybe this little airflow channel will help suck up the flour in there, even though it doesn't really have any direct brush roll opening. So here goes nothing, I suppose. All right, let's get some flour underneath here and do some extreme edge cleaning. Will this crazy power nozzle setup be able to pick up stuff under the carpet? But you know what I'm going to be looking at too is what's on the concrete. It's certainly going to have a lot of agitation, but I wonder, can it get it up into the tubing, into the bowl? All right, so there's our initial conditions. Maybe I'll put a little more on top, because it's easy for just about every machine to get stuff on top. And you know what, just to make the slow-mo look good, I'll put a little more on the side here, right on the concrete. All right, and away we go. Well, it did a nice job. That agitation, those little swirling brushes, even got down into the cracks. So, man, that's really something. On top, most of the vacuums do a really good job on top. I'm not seeing anything. So let's see what it's like underneath. And, well, it moved it. Oh, we got a little bit of clogging back there. All right, so you know, it might have gotten some, and I can't really say I see a lot of clogging right in here. But what's so weird is I put the flour here, and it picked it up. Well, tried to pick it up, and then it kind of walked it. You know, it did. It went from here, and it moved to there. So, wait a minute. There's even more back here. Okay, so it walked it here. I got to turn the camera there. So starts here, comes all the way along. So it moves it around, and as you can see, all those little white spots in there. So yeah, I guess with the lower CFM, it just can't really do all that well. It did something, I think. I'll give it a some points for effort in there, but it walked it around in there. But overall, for 59 CFM, this does a nice job, and these crazy little brushes, let me get that in there. These crazy little brushes do actually manage to get dirt into the air channel and up into the nozzle. So these do work. And, to that end, I'm also going to have to do some, I get my little 2x4 out, and I do some just plain old carpet edge cleaning. So I got to try that. Thanks for watching.